So in the last video we have discussed about the use cases of before business rule, insert and update. In this video we are going to discuss about the other two use cases, that is delete before VR and query before VR. So we have a use case here, deleting incident, having incident tasks, show error and restrict. So this is like whenever we have a incident task attached to any of our incident, we have to restrict the user from deleting the incident. Let's move to the PDI and we can just explore it. This is my PDI instance. Incident table. Let's just create a new incident. Save it. Let's create an incident task for it. So here we have save it. In the last video I showed you how to populate this configuration item and all the fields based on the incident. But currently on incident they are empty, so this they are not populated here also. Let's move to the just need to deactivate a client script which is giving pop-up again and again. Okay, now moving to the BR. So we are restricting the deletion of incident. So BR will be applied on incident table. Okay, advance. Before is the condition and we are using the delete BR. Here we need to check if the current incident has the incident task attached to it or not. So for that we need to apply a glide record so that we can check the current incident have a task assigned to it or not attached to it. Incident task, incident. In the last video we see how to get the incident task from incident. So there is an incident field on the incident task. There is a syside in that field, that is the reference field actually. Get incident. So here we need to restrict it. So how to restrict, we saw we need to use set about action and we need to pass the parameter true. So our VR is ready. Let's see, we can apply some more conditions to make it like more explainable or a bit typical use case. So we can do one thing. We apply this BR when the state is in progress. In new state, there is a possibility that there is no task attached to it. So in progress, we need to see like if the incident is in progress, then only we should delete and delete and when there is no task assigned to it. So let's add that condition here in the filter. When the state is in progress and there is no incident attached to it. If it is attached, set abort. Let me just save it. Okay, let's just test it with this current incident because it has in progress and task assigned to it. So first I'll see if it restrict or not when the state is new. So in new state, our condition will not match because we have applied a condition in progress. So we have to make it in progress because in new state it will delete that. Now the state is in progress and the task is assigned to it, so it should throw an error. We have to add an error message also. Okay, we have added a error message also. Let us just refresh and try to delete and delete incident attached to the correct current incident. So let's see if it is still there or deleted. 298. Okay, it is deleted. Why? Let us just figure it out why it is got deleted. When the state is in progress, okay, get incident set about action true. Okay, we have all the condition met. If the task is fine, okay, let me just create one more. Let's open this one and see it is resolved already. Okay, this is in progress. Incident task is also assigned to it. We can do one thing, we just got the message, then it should about it. Okay, I can do one more thing here. Current. So that's what. So we are using this glide record on incident task, which is not getting deleted. The current record is getting deleted. That's why we should use current.setAboutAction true. Okay, now yes, we have resolved the issue. Let us try again. Okay, this is the incident matching the conditions, and let's try to delete this one. 283. Task attached to the current incident. Let's see 283 is still there or not. Ah, it is there, and even the task is there. Now we can do one thing. We can take an incident which is in progress and do not have incident task. Okay, this is in progress and there is no task attached to it. Let's try to delete 280. Delete, and let's see if 280 still exists. No, 280 is deleted. So this is how you can use the delete BR. Now let's move to the query BR, the second use case that we have. Let me open this. So query BR, the last database operation on before BR. To itil user show only new, in progress and on hold resolve incident. So basically the active incident should be visible to the itil user. Okay. For this we need to see how many active incidents are there. Active is true and run. There are 67 incidents that should be visible to itil. Okay. So we need to create a query BR. Okay. So what we can do here, we can we can write a script that will filter out all the records which are active. Sorry, filter records which are active for us and show it to the user. So query BR will work when you like when you load a list. Basically the BR will on the BR table it is checked if is there any query BR or not. If it is there, it will check what are the conditions in that BR, and based on that condition it will give you the list of records. So let's query here. We need all the active records. Query dot add active query. This is the simplest we can use, and to only itil users. So if gs dot get user itil. So we need to just apply this condition here. So let's save. Okay, let me just remove the filter. So it is showing all the 99 records. Why? Because I am an admin and admin has ITL role plus admin role. So we just need to impersonate with an ITL role only. Let me just impersonate. This is the ITL user we have now. Let me refresh it again. It is still showing the 99 records. Okay, let us figure out what is the issue. So if this user list, the name is itil user, itil. Open this. Okay, there are 62 roles this user have. Let me check if this user has admin or not. Admin is not there. Okay, groups. Let's check the role of each group. Maybe these groups are giving some other extra access. No, not this, not this, not this, not this. So there is no access from the group. Let me. Okay, why then? ITL user is there. Okay, let's go and check the VR then. Maybe some issue is there. Here is the issue. gs dot get user. We mistype it and impersonate it again. Refresh. So now you are able only to see active records. These are 67 records which are active. So this is how you can use query BR and delete before BR. In the next video, we are going to take the use cases of after BR. This is all. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe for more updated contents. Thank you.